We learned all about the ocean habitat. The ocean habitat has lots of salty water, and the water is very deep. Lots of animals live in the salty water of the ocean. Who remembers the name of the sandy or rocky place where the ocean meets the coast? The shore or the beach? This is a picture of a shorebird looking for food down in the sand. What is special about the bird's body that helps it live near the water without getting too wet? That's right, it has long legs that keep its body out of the water. And it has a long beak so it can reach down into the sand and find food. This is a picture of a shark. The shark also has special body parts that help it live in its ocean habitat. It has gills on the side of its body. What does the shark do with his gills? That's right, he uses his gills to breathe underwater. Then it has fins. Why does a shark have fins? They use their fins to help them swim. And a shark also has sharp teeth. Why does a shark have sharp teeth? To catch fish to eat. Good job. This animal lives in a tidal pool. It is called a sea anemone. The sea anemone has tentacles that it uses to survive in the ocean habitat. What does it use its tentacles for? It uses its tentacles to sting and catch prey that are swimming by. This is a sculpin fish. What is special about the fish that allows it to survive in its ocean habitat? That's right, it uses camouflage to blend in with its surroundings. Do you remember any other animals that we've learned about that use camouflage to protect themselves? Do you remember when we learned about the stick insect that could hide so well in trees because it looks just like a stick? This picture shows Samson Seal, the narrator of the story we read the other day. Samson Seal isn't a real seal, he's just pretend. We know he's pretend because he's wearing some things that humans wear when they go to the ocean habitat. What is Samson wearing? Sunglasses and a hat. Why is he wearing those things at the ocean? That's right, he's wearing those things to protect himself from the sun. Remember in our read aloud, we heard the word enormous? Listen for the word enormous while I read that part of the story you heard the other day. Deep underwater, there are all kinds of animals living in the ocean. There are enormous whales and squid and beautiful sea turtles. I have to swim carefully underwater to avoid the stinging tentacles of the jellyfish. Enormous means really, really big, huge, or gigantic. I'm going to say some things, and I want you to show me a thumbs up if it's enormous and a thumbs down if it's not enormous. A whale. Yes, they are enormous. An ant. No, an ant is not enormous. Thumbs down. A squid. Yes, thumbs up. Paperclip. No, thumbs down. Tree. Yes, thumbs up. A lot of trees are enormous. School bus. Yes, thumbs up. Bead. No, thumbs down. A bead is small. And last, how about the ocean? Yes, thumbs up. The ocean is really, really enormous. Remember, enormous means really, really big. If something is really, really small, we say it's tiny. Tiny is the opposite of enormous, like an ant, a paperclip, a bead. Those things are tiny. And then enormous, things that are really big, like a whale, squid, tree, school bus. and the ocean.